1 cup of boiled rice, 1 cup of tomatoes. I use 3 big tomatoes here. 1 bay leaf, 1 small cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 cloves, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, cumin seeds, and 4 to 5 cloves, garlic cloves, green chillies, onion, curry leaves, coriander, salt, red chilli powder, garam masala, dhaniya powder, jeera powder, 1.5 tablespoon of oil, keep the pan for heating. Add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. When oil is heated, add all whole spices. Add green chilies, onion, curry leaves, add chana dal, add turmeric, after 3 to 4 minutes, add tomatoes. Give it a mix. Keep the lid and cook it for another 3 minutes. It took almost 5 to 6 minutes to get tomatoes cooked. Now add salt, chilli powder, garam masala, dhaniya powder, and cumin powder. After a minute, add the cooked rice. Put the stove on high flame and mix everything well. And cover the pan with lid and leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. See, now it's almost ready. Off the stove and add coriander. Tomato rice is now ready. Garnish it with onion and tomato before you serve it.